Since its establishment in 1999, Telcon has made continuous investments in the development of wireless parts which are fundamental to the ICT industry. For the past 17 years, we have led in technical innovation and enabled the highest level of service in building wireless networks, telecommunication systems, and military communication devices. In addition to Samsung Electronics, SK Telecom, KT, LG, U+, and other companies based in Korea, we also work with major companies around the world, such as Ericsson, Alcatel-Lucent, and Toshiba. Currently, Telcon is making efforts to have business relations with KDDI and NEC in Japan. By maintaining a competitive edge in the market, we have seen a steady increase in our sales over a decade. In 2016, we plan to increase our global investment and build a foundation for sustainable growth and take our technical innovation to the next level. At the heart of this growth is our technical innovation and expertise. The precision plating and processing technology we use to prevent corrosion of connectors and protect against gas and salt in communication devices is our flagship technology. Without our guiding principles that ensure defect-free products, we would not be where we are today. Our products undergo a stringent quality control process to ensure the highest level of quality in 4 key areas: design, parts, manufacturing, and market. For the past 10 years, we have made substantial investment in our R&D activities and acquired numerous patents and intellectual properties, including trademarks, designs, and utility models. Our product portfolio includes wireless coaxial connectors, cable assembly systems for instrumentation and military defense, and various types of interconnection products. We supply connectors and jump cables, splitters, couplers, and lightning arresters for telecommunication networks in the global market. We also supply various components and more than 3,000 small connectors to major telecommunication providers throughout the world with our strong product lineup, which includes more than 330 types of coaxial adapters for compatibility with instruments. In addition, our portfolio for building telecommunication networks includes more than 250 types of dummy loads for terminating RF signals and more than 280 types of attenuators which effectively reduce noise with a certain frequency for communication systems. With continued investment and quality improvement, we have evolved into a leading passive components supplier in the wireless market. To create a new paradigm in the industry, we will continue our technical innovation in DOS components, 5G connectors, and optoelectrical connectors. Trust in all aspects. We are paving the way to the future.